cool as fuck. Show us your titties.
Sure.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, it's called Lookout Racing. Yeah, it's that way. Oh, I done already caught somebody falling. Oh, there go the ball. There go my drone.
There it is, brother. I see it.
You see me?
Hey!
Oh, now. Hey, look out, y'all.
Low battery warning. Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Okay, we're like 2 seconds off. We'll get about halfway through the contestants. We'll take an intermission and do the titty run up the hill. So .20 seconds.
How many of them have you wrecked? Two?
And Sam Riggs at 11, as well as the PR's bikini contest. It's going to be going on around 10:30-ish. He saw everybody else crash. He said, fuck that, I ain't going to. Oh! They said his cart broke before the timer even started, so he decided to just run down the hill and make a good show. Holding his pants up. 1, 2, 3. On the gun, first person is very custom.
He fell as soon as he started.
I thought you was gonna get it to him and tell him to hand it to him. I thought you was gonna flop a titty out or something. High Roller Energy Drink, Nikki Thompson. All right, Redneck's gonna get a hell yeah!
Look out, man. Rufus Racing.
Yes, sir.
Last year I came, it was a lot of y'all. It was a couple more. I remember it was an older dude. He didn't have on a Rufus Racing shirt. And then it was another. We went to the bus, right?
Yeah.
We went to the bus. It was a dude. It was 2 wives. Which 2 Rufus people got a wife, got a bus? I talked to them.
A bunch of them.
It is. Damn. Ain't no way I'm gonna find
There are 4 of them.
I think
So
it was
what's the
something
question?
started with an L. I wanted to meet her again, see how she was doing.
Lori.
Is it Lori? Yeah, where's she at? She here?
Lori.
For real? Let me see if she remember me. Lori over here. Excuse me, sir. Where Lori at? Who? Lori. Lori, yeah, she with y'all, the Rufus squad. Somebody white. Is this I think I remember you from last year, miss. I met you at the bus. Y'all remember? Yeah, miss. I've been looking for y'all. Yeah, I came to the RV, miss. How y'all doing? Miss, I brought the drone back and everything.
How are you?
I've been flying the whole time. That was me. Let me bring it down. Let me get a good picture.
That's Titty Row, ain't it?
Yeah. That's right where
Holy
Maddie's
fuck.
friends are at. Is over there. Got the drone in the air. The bikini contest coming up. I'm way out there, y'all. Super far. I don't even know. Oh, it's all the way down there.
Spanish warriors had gone before him, and they were all defeated by the Incas in Mexico.
Yeah.
Cortez defeated the Incas. Here's how he did it. Cortez sailed to Mexico, and then he landed his troops on the shore. So all his troops are on the shore in Mexico. And then he sent a small band of soldiers out into the bay, and they burned the ships.
And then what happened after that?
They burned he told his soldiers to burn the ships. So their only way to survive was to conquer the Incas. Otherwise they'd be killed. There was no
So it was either die or work for them.
what?
Die or work for them.
That's right. Either win the war or become slaves to them or die. So they conquer the Incas.
Hey man, I wonder how they
You should
was.
read about your name. Your name means something.
Yeah. Okay. I just wanted to mess with her. I ain't think she would show nothing anyway.
Get your drone over there.
I just like saying it, because that's what they be saying.
I bet
But
you
what? Okay.
Yeah, he went I care. Tell you know Danny and Danny and them.
Okay.
They put you up in there. Bill, why you drive home? You were here last year, a couple years, right?
Yeah, I was here last year.
You go out to King the Hammer?
Where at?
King the Hammer.
The Hammer?
The King.
I ain't heard of that.
King the Hammer, you need to go with us.
Where is it at?
Don't tell you want to go with us next year. February.
February?
King the Hammer.
And what city is in?
California.
Oh, it's in California?
You ride out with me and Danny. Okay?
Yeah. I like California.
Let me tell Danny you ride with us next year.
Okay.
We need you to ride with us.
Who I talk to?
Danny. They go right there. The guy you were talking to over here.
Okay, here you go. Jalapeno pepper.
There it is. There it is. Hotter than a pepper. Hotter than a pepper.
That's cool as fuck.
Is that your phone or a...
Yeah, that's my phone.
Oh, hell, dude, that's awesome.
That's legit.
Okay. I'm through. I'm all the way. I'm down the street, y'all.
Down the street.
Where you at?
He's all the way
I'm all the way at the mall.
Oh shit. Look at this. Dakota, look at this. That's Titty Row, ain't it?
Yeah.
That's right where
Holy
Maddie's
fuck.
friends are at. Is over there, right on that corner.
Right on that corner. Yeah, right there. That's cool as fuck. Show us your titties.
Oh, sure.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, it's called Lookout Racing. Lookout Racing. Yeah,
Hey,
Lookout Racing.
You had a video one time hopping around with random people, huh?
Yeah, yeah. That was me. I've been doing that today.
I know that's that guy, I'm pretty sure.
I did that
That is
today.
cool as fuck.
Let's see what Titty Row looking like, man. I'm gonna try to record the bikini contest with the drone.
I didn't even know there was a bikini contest.
Yeah, it's coming up right now.
Uh-oh.
We need to go over there to...
I thought it started at...
It might be going.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, let me go see.
He goes, let me check.
Yeah,
real quick."
let's...
Damn, where I'm at. Okay, we over here.
It's right there. There it is, right there above us.
Yeah, you just, yeah,
Okay,
you're above us.
So Titty Row over here.
So Titty Row over here.
That is fucking
He
awesome.
said, so Titty Row over here.
But look, when they start filming, I'm gonna be right here.
Oh, yeah.
That's gonna be a good view, ain't it?
Yeah. That's really good.
Dude, that's legit.
That's legit.
Oh, I see it.
We gotta get over there.
That's gonna be good, ain't it?
That is awesome.
That'll be perfect. Yeah, literally right on the stage.
Yeah, that's like it's like a movie. I'm gonna be right there. I'm gonna leave it right there and let them do their thing.
He's like, I don't even have to be here. I'm just watching
Yeah.
this shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna have it right there. Where can't nobody complain.
Sponsors?
Yeah, we'll definitely get that out of the way.
A big shout out to all of our sponsors: Evans Excavation, Starwood Power Sports, Lady Star Excavation, WATV, High Road, the RV Guys, Say I Won't, The Point After North, Oscar's Aerial Spraying, Mad Mike's Fabrication, St. Joe Plumbing, Monster Rigging, Inflow, Fire Clear, Jennifer
Look out.
Twisted Tree.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.